Now that we have checking and saving accounts, I have all this money. But I can't decide what to buy with my money. How do I know what I'm buying is a waste of my money or just something useful? I need a plan. Well, thankfully, the answer is right here.
So when we talking about income last time, we were talking about budgeting.
Wait, what is budgeting?
When it's doubt, let's Google up.
Budgeting. Budgeting is the process of creating a plan to spend your money. This spending plan is called a budget. Oh, so it's just a spending plan. But why do I need a plan for that kind of stuff? Can't I just go into a store and buy everything I want?
I wish we can have a whole bunch of money to spend it, but it's not the case. Let's say, for example, you have $50 budget for your weekly shopping list. And you're strolling down the aisle and then you realize there is promotion going on for new chocolate cookies. You purchase 10 boxes, let's say, because it tastes so yummy. Now, you may not have enough money for buying what you really need.
So I understand the concept, but why does this plan exist? Who is this plan for exactly?
Well, for everyone. Someone like you and me, or for groups of people who maybe go to vacations, or even any kind of companies.
So now I get the basis of it, but how does budgeting work?
First, you need to know how much is your income is, so that way you know how much you can play with. Second, you always save first before anything. And third, you will figure it out what you absolutely need. And then fourth, you will figure it out how much you can spend for your wants, what you absolutely want.
So now I understand how all the budgeting works. But for our friends watching, they might want to know that in more detail. Well, can we do that in a later episode?
Why not?
Well, following that answer, why not we shift the stage to Pinky and Whitey? They're calling. They want to show up. Well, I guess it's time for
Bunny time!
Hello, my name is Pinky.
Hello, my name is Whitey.
We are the
Bunny!
Whitey, don't forget to get 3 celery sticks for shopping today.
Oh, okay, 3 celery sticks.
Welcome back to P.E.A. News. This is Smiley P speaking, and today there is some breaking news. A new Smart Mart has opened up in Bunnyville. Their motto is guaranteed fresh whenever you wish. Legend says that whatever you want there will appear there magically.
Whoa, this is nice.
Yeah, I can't believe it's in Bunnyville.
Is that a instant carrot cake maker? Whoa, shoo! Whoa, is that a carrot scented shampoo? Whoa, is that? Wow! Huh? Huh? Whoa!
Whitey, I'm ready to go home.
Okay, hold on, I'm coming. Whoa, whoa, here, I'm ready.
Whitey,
Hmm?
what is all this stuff?
I can't stop it. It was amazing. That was great, Mart.
Well, in all of that stuff, did you at least get the 3 celery sticks that we actually needed?
Oh yeah, 3 celery stick. No. I didn't get it.
Well, if you didn't get it, you can still go buy it. The store is open. I'll just wait here.
I can't. I spent it all of my money. But you know what? You can smell this raspberry scented shampoo. It smells good and even looks like raspberry. Can you see? Okay.
Wow, that raspberry shampoo must smell very good.
Gotta be good.
Well, we learned our lesson through Whitey.
Mm-hmm.
Without a budgeting plan, you may attempt to buy everything in one go, but then have no money left for what you actually need.
Yes. So that is the reason why we need a plan. Everyone need a budget. All right. So what did you do with your $5 today?
Well, I spent way more than 5 minutes studying for my finals.
Well, you invested your time for your future then, huh?
I guess so, but right now I do not have to like it.
Remember, $5.
Way more than 5 minutes. Spudying.
Let's do that again. Cut!
Cut! Berry smoke.
Oh, shut up. Remember, $5. I didn't see any hands to clap on, so I gotta clap something. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
If you are awesome, hit the like button.
Goodbye!